Let's look at the difference between wide and tall data in Tableau. The best way to look at this is in Excel, so we can see the table structure. A wide table structure is a column like region and measures like profit, quantity, and sales, all on different columns. Wide data is more columns and less rows. Tall data is going to be less columns. So as opposed to a column for each measure, in this tall data, I have a row for each measure. So for East, I have profit is 5,100, and I have quantity is 11,000. Wide data is easier to work with, and tall data will perform better. If the data is not very large, wide is your best option. If you start having performance issues, Tableau might do better with tall data, so go ahead and pivot your data to make it tall. Hope this helps.